Over the past month or so, we've done a lot of rotisserie cooks. They all have come out great, and it has culminated in what we're doing now. Stay tuned because the results of this rotisserie brisket cook,
What's that?
yeah, were completely unexpected. So can we conquer the ultimate rotisserie test? Let's find out.
Basement.
Here we are with this 20-pound honker of a brisket.
Honker.
Unfortunately, we got to do the trim. It's my least favorite part of doing brisket, but it is what it is.
But you don't go heavy on the trim, is what you've told me in the past.
I try not to, but you know,
With this one, you
sometimes
are,
you follow the rabbit hole, and like this all has to come off.
Right.
Right. We are going to render the tallow to use later.
Render the fat into tallow.
Correct. What did I say?
Render the tallow.
Once again, good boning knife makes a huge difference. So I try to do it when we put it on directly on the grate, is make it aerodynamic and like rounded. I'm not sure that matters for rotisserie.
So mine wasn't.
And
everything was fine.
So the reason you do it is so that the juice doesn't stay in one place, and then you get no bark, but it's gonna be constantly turning, so I don't think we need to worry about it, right?
It should rotate the juices all around it.
Yeah, so we're not gonna worry. Tell me if you see me doing something wrong.
I mean, you taught me, sir.
This right here?
Yeah. Yeah, thick fat, boy.
Yeah, big time.
Prime fat. Is it pillowy fat or hard? This is Costco Prime.
Costco Prime, baby.
No choice available.
Never quite know how much to do on this.
So is this the Mohawk?
The Mohawk was on the other side.
Okay, what is that called?
That is called the other Mohawk. I have no idea.
The butt Mohawk.
Little beef bacon. I always question myself on the trim, as I'm sure everybody—
You told me you don't have to trim too much, don't worry about it. Never didn't really worry.
I know, watch yourself. I don't want to stab you again.
Yeah, it healed up nice, can't even tell anymore.
The chicken juice helped heal it. All right, let's call it a day.
Season it up.
Normally I would concern myself with fat up or fat down.
Doesn't matter now.
I try to go fat up. Completely moot point today.
He's spinning.
All right, we're doing something new. We are going to use Duke's Real Mayo as the binder. This is pretty novel. I've never done this before.
So to me, it's like when you, like I said earlier off cam, when you put it on hamburger buns and toast it, it's like you put butter on it.
Right.
So
we want a thin layer though, because we don't want it to melt off and then we lose all the seasoning, right?
Right. So you want me to do the rub down?
Treat her nice.
Easy, baby. Easy, baby.
Okay, so this seasoning, which you can see, is a combination of commodity stuff.
Okay.
So we got coarse kosher salt, 16 mesh, coarse black pepper, Kirkland. Kinder's the blend, because I wanted to get some of the garlic they have in here.
SPJ.
Plus it's got some salt, pepper, sweet Rebo mine. So we're gonna get a little bit of the sweet, a lot of the salt, pepper.
So equal parts, or what'd you do in the bowl?
I just eyeballed it.
Okay.
I mixed it till it looked equal. Does that look about equal to you? Looks
good.
pretty decent.
I would buy that, whatever that is.
Oh, let's sell it. And I assume, like always, we want to go liberal.
Yes.
Can you smell it from where you are?
Yeah.
Man, it smells good, doesn't it?
Take a spoonful, put it in your mouth. So
I did that earlier to make sure it tastes good. This rub might be a new thing.
it's looking super good and it smells amazing.
Yeah.
All right, girl. Easy. Easy, baby. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
Okay, so this is either going to be the best brisket we've ever made or the worst.
So the rotisserie thing
is
is
interesting.
going to be different.
Correct. Very different.
And I wonder if it's going to affect the cook time.
Luckily, we'll have the ThermoPro TempSpikes to tell us where we're at all times.
So what temp we rolling this baby at?
225. All right, so we're gonna put this in a pan and stick it in the fridge for a couple hours before we stick it on the rotisserie. If I had my way, we would do this 24 hours dry brine. It's Saturday. This has to be done and ready to eat by Sunday. So we're just gonna give it a couple hours. See you in a bit. All right, 2 hours dry brining. Again, we would prefer to do this overnight, but we're running out of time, so we're just gonna go ahead.
Don't spike me in the hand again.
I'll try not to. Can't make any promises.
Actually, you won't with this, because
we might need to turn that sideways. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing over there.
you hold it up.
Now you don't spike my hand.
Right, hold on, let me think here. Because I gotta get right in the middle, really, right? Like
Yep,
that.
as close to the middle as you can. Okay, that's good, that's perfect.
Oh, she's a honker, ain't she?
Woo! Man, it's not even though.
Oh, you mean on the...
Yeah, the weight.
No, that's, I don't know.
Because if I do this, see what I mean? I think that's perfect.
That's what you said last time.
I know.
It's better though.
Now it's the other way. We need it to come right here. Yes.
All right, master.
Good job, Bob. Interesting that it twisted. Oh yeah, it's good now.
Yeah, it's a good balance.
All right, let's go get this thing mounted. We'll see you out there. All right, let's get this thing on. Go ahead and lift that up for me. That's not gonna fit under there. In fact, we're gonna have to take the grates off. Man, this is a honker, baby. Hey, but good news, the motor's actually working.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
These are the water pans that go specifically for the Searwood. They go right on top of that flavorizer bar. Yeah, it definitely fits.
Yeah, it'll be good. We could put another brisket on here. Brisket.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Why didn't we do that?
Next time.
So the main reason I wanted to have water pans was to catch the grease,
Okay.
but also to keep it moist.
Yeah, I think
some of the
it'll be
grease
good.
is gonna fall to the side, obviously,
It's fine.
but we should be okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I mean, looks pretty. I'm super excited.
So the question is this gonna cook quick and the other side? I guess not because it's a smoker. You know, that's why we have a smoker.
And we have the water pans there to make sure there's no
Right.
direct heat.
You see sign of life? Are these
This
pecan
is-
pellets?
A mix of smoking pecan and lumberjack hickory, baby.
Okay.
Oh man, that smells good.
Yeah, that's
All right, let's let that thing get that dirty smoke.
all right. Which is sacrilege, son. Dirty smoke.
Don't care.
Me neither. I've always liked the smell.
We don't follow convention. We just do what's right.
That's right.
Whew! I can't wait to see what this thing looks like in, I don't know what, 16 hours
So
from
yeah,
now?
send me a picture at like 3 a.m.
Yeah,
when you're out here with a beer.
right. All right, we'll see you guys in about an hour.
All right, so old girl's dragging here on the water pan. We're expecting some reduction in the meat eventually, but we're gonna dust the rivers. The drag is very prevalent. So this is an experiment. We don't know what's gonna happen, but thankfully she's not hitting the water in the back. Is it gonna bind or just fall? Where are my rivers, sir? I don't see many rivers yet. I'm just gonna go heavy, a lot's gonna fall down, but this is what we do. See that flap? Like the, it's just gonna have to happen that way, because what else are you gonna do, you know? Just take the smoke to the eyes. We're good to go. See you guys soon, but not too soon.
All right, my wife and I are headed out for the evening. We're gonna let this thing go all night, but it's time to go ahead and spike these with the ThermoPro. We got massive dragging there, as you can see. So this one has expanded. It's gonna shrink over time, but to start with, it's expanded big time. So as you saw earlier, this part right here, it flops over and drags through the water. It's doing it even more than it did before, but it is what it is. Not gonna worry about it. We're gonna put the white ThermoPro TempSpike right here in the point and the black one over here in the flat. I'm gonna monitor that from afar. Guys, the ThermoPro TempSpike Plus right now, if you buy this with 2 probes, you get the Lightning Insta-Read, which is the best Insta-Read on the market, I promise you, for free. So I definitely recommend you check that out. I don't know how much longer that's gonna last. It's been around now for a couple of months, but they're gonna end it here pretty soon. Look down below, there's a link to it. A little strange, I'm not used to this, especially not used to all that flopping around. All right, we'll see you guys in, I don't know, I might not see you till tomorrow. All right, 7.5 hours in, and this is what we're looking at. I mean, tell me that doesn't look beautiful, but it's time to dust the rivers. Add some more seasoning. Oh man, it smells so good. It has shrunk a bit, so this flap that was going in the water is no longer even touching. It's just barely scraping. We're good to go. See you tomorrow. 17 hours in, and this is where we stand. It looks good, the color is great. I am a little concerned about that river right there that's going down the middle. It's preventing the bark from fully taking on because it's staying wet as it rotates. But we still have a ways to go. The ThermoPro right now is registering at about 180 degrees. We pushed through the stall over through the night. Nice to see that big piece of meat rotating on that rotisserie. 19 hours in, we're at 188 degrees. We've got 12 degrees to go. Of course, we're gonna test it and see if it's like butter first.
It's smelling amazing.
Oh, man, that looks good.
Yeah.
Obviously, the water in these front pans have all dried up and that back one, but it looks like all the dripping juice is for some reason collecting in that back right pan. Now, I said earlier before you guys got here that the one thing that concerns me is this giant river is not allowing the proper bark formation in that one area right there.
So that's one thing we may not have thought of. That's right. That's where all the juices are going around in that one spot.
Because remember we were saying that the rivers won't matter, the aerodynamics won't matter because
it does.
It's going to be turning, but it does definitely matter.
So should we dust the rivers?
I don't think we can at this point because it's not going to bark up. Probably another hour before we wrap it and put it in for the rest. How's she smell?
Super good.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, it's 187. So this one is registering 188. This is registering 187. We might take this off before 200 because it's butter.
Okay, yeah, we want butter. Cool.
All right, it's ready. It's 195 degrees. It is probing like butter everywhere.
Jiggling, dripping. I mean, you've always done it like a champ.
Woo, boy. Woo. Butter, baby, butter.
Yes, please.
So first we got to put the tallow.
Oh yeah.
Just because it's not fat enough.
You put this in your coffee in the morning.
Correct.
I've never been good at wrapping presents.
Me neither. Did I ever tell you that we're brilliant?
No.
Well, I'm telling you right now. All right, we're gonna put this in a metal pan. We're gonna stick it in the oven on warm. We're gonna let it rest for at least 2 hours. If you could do overnight rest, obviously that's gonna be even better, but we don't have that luxury because we gotta finish a video, right?
Yeah, well, it's football Sunday, we gotta eat today.
Yeah, 2 hour rest on warm, and then we're gonna slice into this thing and we'll be in heaven. All right, 23 hours on the smoker, 90 minutes rest. Time to unpack this guy. Oh my goodness.
Juicy. Whopper that way?
Yeah, I guess. Woo. Wow. Goodness gracious. Might help if I had a knife. Not as much juice flowing out as I would have expected.
So I'm wondering if it's because it was rotating, dripping out? Or?
Yeah, rotisserie maybe dripping it all out, but let's taste it anyway.
I mean, how's it cutting? Like butter? Or?
It's cutting pretty easy, but it is falling apart. So it's hard to keep like, see that?
Yeah.
It's hard to keep like one contiguous piece. Cheers. It's good. Is it better than the non-rotisserie though? I'm not sure about that.
Let's try the point.
What is that? That does not look good.
That's normal brisket thing, dude. It's always brown in the middle.
I don't remember seeing that before.
That's the,
So I'm not used to seeing this brown gunk in there. And Donnie just pointed out that's where the spike was, probably cooking it from the inside. I'm not a big fan of that, to be honest.
You don't know, maybe you are.
I don't like the way it looks, dude. I think what that means, unfortunately, is I think I'd rather do brisket the normal way.
Yeah, it's okay. We had to try it, right?
Gotta try it.
It looked awesome the whole time we're doing it.
It did look good, but
I mean, that's amazing.
the point is always bomb. I can complain about that though.
Taste it.
You want to taste it?
It's like beef, man.
Yeah.
Close your eyes and put it in your mouth. Nothing wrong with that.
Me no like. I don't like that. I'm gonna take that out. So yeah, that rotisserie arm heats up and cooks that stuff around, cooks the beef like even more. And I guess turns it brown.
I feel like I've seen that before. Like, look, this is pretty deep brown in here.
No, so that usually is like turns into a gel,
Okay.
not a brown like
Whatever
gunk.
that is.
Come look at this. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that, to be honest. Not into that.
Right.
I think I would do brisket the normal way going forward.
Yeah.
Better brisket, not doing rotisserie. This is the one rotisserie fail, I would say.
Yeah, but it is beautiful to watch. Like,
It is
for a
nice to watch.
Nice party trick.
Yeah. All right, well, we got to eat this. We got wings, we got football. Let's do it.
All right.
Thanks for hanging out.
See you next time. So you want me to do the rub down?
Treat her nice.
Easy, baby. Easy, baby. It feels right. I'll tell you that.
Looks right. Sounds right.
Yeah.
I hear all the squishy. Yeah, get up in the crevices. Some female viewers right now that are getting turned on.